Begin by crushing and peeling 6 cloves of garlic. Then chop 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. For this recipe, we are using 1 package of pork tenderloin. The package comes with 2 pork tenderloins. They are about 1 pound each. Place your pork tenderloins in a 9x13 baking dish. If you want to remove any silver skin, go ahead and do so. Using paper towels, remove excess moisture from the tenderloins. Then, using a paring knife, go ahead and make 3 holes into each tenderloin. Stuff the garlic clove into the tenderloins, just like so. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. Then add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the 2 sprigs of rosemary, half a teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. With clean hands, rub and massage all the seasonings all over the tenderloins. Make sure that the pork tenderloins are evenly coated in the marinade. Insert an oven-safe thermometer into the thickest part of the tenderloin. Now roast at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And if everything goes according to plan, your roast pork tenderloin will look like this. Let the pork tenderloins rest between 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. I am pretty sure that now you are ready to eat. Ooh. The juices from the baking dish are full of flavor, so feel free to use them all over your tenderloin. There you guys have it, balsamic roast pork tenderloin. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah.